What are we doing?
Today we're welding. This is my side. I already kind of started. This is his side.
What are we doing? You can't just explain the sides.
Well, we're seeing who can weld better.
It's gotta be me.
It's not gonna
All
be
right,
you.
go. I don't want to see you anymore. Shut it. Where'd he go? Damn.
See, y'all see what I'm trying to do though? I'm trying to get the little line, so then I could just weld around
Can
it.
I take over?
No.
Just let me take over.
No.
Whatever.
Go.
I'm cheating. Yes.
All right, hold on. Ow. That's hot. If I missed the seat right here, I would have. The welder's getting thrown away. Oh, for anybody wondering, we're doing a Chinese welder test. I forgot to mention that. I'm sorry. Chinese welder test, and then we gotta fix that.
On this video?
No, probably next video. So yeah.
Wait, turn your head to the right, left, other way. Subscribe. All right, go. Can I show you how it's done?
Alright guys, now it's his turn.
Oh, let's go.
Now it's his turn.
We gotta turn this around.
Ah! That hurt. You just hit me with that.
Good. Now be quiet, little boy, so I can show you who's daddy.
Alright. Alright, let's see. Let's see if he's better. Off camera, he said, let's see the professional do its work. I don't think he's very professional. Do you need a glove? What'd you just turn it up to? 300? 300 amps. Oh, by the way, guys, the power surged 2 times already. So, guys, hold on. Let me tell you what went on. All right, so we went to go fix the power. Came back in the garage. Started welding for 30 seconds, was getting ready to record and everything. The power went back out. So,
I hit my hand. I'm in jail. I'm not doing it.
well, it looks like you've made your hole bigger. No diddy. Why don't you put...
Give me another rod. They're not junk, but I don't know why they're not welding. Like, watch. I get a brand new one. Look.
All right, let the professional give it a try.
Big man wants to give it a go.
I do.
Guys, if you know why this piece of crap welder isn't working, let us know.
See, it works perfectly fine.
Your hole.
Said what?
Do your hole. Just do it. Good one. Man the ground.
Well going, Riley.
Okay, Jackson's here, Jackie.
Riley Godfrey. They're gonna know our full names anyways. Why do we care?
You don't even know my middle name.
I don't care.
Patrick.
It's not my middle name. I don't know why you're saying it.
Jackson Patrick to Jackie.
I don't know why you're saying it because it's not my middle name. To me, what it looks like is you're just a horrible welder. Look, I'll weld this.
Weld your hole, nothing else.
Are you trying to sabotage me right now? Because you're not doing it well. Look, like that.
Back.
We're back. It took a long while.
We think it's working now. Definitely. Alright, go. That's his side, that's my side.
Oh, and you guys judge in the comments whose side is better.
Yeah. My side's the closest towards the camera.
We might have to come back tomorrow to it because it is getting pretty late.
Yeah, wait, breathe. Yeah.
It's pretty cold.
We got a heater, but that thing's from like the 1800s.
Yeah, so...
And it's Stanley. Nobody cares about Stanley. Who even is Stanley?
I don't know.
Flat Stanley! Alright, go. Use your hand if you have to.
What the problem is that it keeps on... keeps on moving.
You're supposed to want to try and weld the hole. Alright guys, we'll be back for a quick minute. Alright guys, we're back at it. What are you complaining about?
Hey, you think people... Huh. Boom. Wait, now I can't see where I am. Wait, now I can't see where I am.
Straight. Left. Down. Just leave the thing up. Just close your eyes.
I mean, I guess it kind of works. Oh, it's melting it.
Let me see.
Oh, never mind.
Dude, we're doing a video.
What?
We're supposed to talk to them.
Oh, my bad, guys. Guys, so far I think my side looks the best. Why do I have a welding helmet and I'm not using it?
I don't know why we are trying to weld like this, but we don't actually know a lot about welders.
Guys, we are not professional. We do not... We are professionals in a closed environment.
We're not professionals.
No, we're
We
professionals in a closed environment.
We are in a
YouTube.
closed environment, but we're
No,
not professionals.
You can't. We're professionals in a closed
Just get us
environment,
to
YouTube.
5,000 subscribers.
Yeah, because then we can start making money, and then we can make better videos for you guys. Because currently we're both unemployed and broke.
17-year-old broke boy. Ah!
Damn!
Knowing these frames never gonna get welded. Alright, my turn.
No. Guys, please help us so we can get a new welder. Please. It'd be very great. Or you guys can help us so we can get something like a beater quad or something.
Or like a candy bar, because that's all we're gonna make if we make any money from this video.
Yeah, I'm gonna be honest, we're not gonna make a thing.
Alright, I think that's it. We'll come back at
yeah, we'll come back tomorrow, guys.
No, we'll make a part 2 to this video, because this welder's just kind of iffy. We'll get new rods, or we'll try and look stuff up.
Guys, I can't see at all.
Alright.
Alright,
It's a wrap. Are we gonna do an outro?
Yeah. This is Wild Ride Rejects.
Look at the camera!
Oh, yeah, I can't see. This is Wild Ride Rejects. Peace out.